Whoa, what up? What's happening? You see the 18 on the box, so you already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? So today we're gonna look at the Air Jordan XVIII Retro. Coming in white, metallic silver, and blue. Royal blue, or whatever color blue you want to call it. You see the paper, plain paper. Let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan XVIII Retro. Now, Jordan rocked these, man, back when he was with the Wizards. You know what I'm saying? Which I thought was a mistake. But anyway, back in the days, man, I had these because I am an OG. You understand what I'm saying? I had these, this colorway, and I had the black suede colorway, the black and blue. You know, and I was feeling them back then, you know what I'm saying? But this shroud, this cover that's on the top right here, it used to give me problems back in the days. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's look at the shoe. You see the 23, you see the magnet, you see the Jordan on the inside. When you fold it down, you see this cardboard that they have right here. They didn't come with these back in the days, so I guess they must have learned or something from the older pairs, I don't know. But anyway, let's look at the inside of the shoe. On the inside, you have the Jordan logo with the checkerboard pattern. You know, that kind of resembles that sole at the bottom. You know what I mean? But I can't lie. See that this blue part at the bottom? That was a big selling point for me. You know what I'm saying? Because back in the days, man, I thought that part was nice. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Here it is. We in 2018. We looking at the retro pair now. You know what I'm saying? So you see the wings on the side. You see this tumbled leather mixed in all throughout the shoe. You see this Jordan on the back. I forgot what these 9 little squares on it resemble. I used to know all of that, but I didn't really look up on this shoe now in 2018, you know what I'm saying? Because, like I said, I had them back in the G. I knew everything about them back then, but it's just a retro, man. I ain't really going into all that, man. On the bottom, you see the 18 right there. This white and blue sole on the bottom. You know, you see this hard material. I'm not sure what kind of plastic this is, you know, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Now, as we continue to look at the shoe, man, you see the little touches of blue throughout the shoe. I mean, it's a, you know, I know I'm hearing that these sold out, you know, and they were kind of limited, which I think that was a strategy for Jordan brand. You know what I'm saying? I guess they felt like a lot of Jordans been sitting. You know what I'm saying? So to give you that illusion that these things flying off the shelf, why not just make them limited? You know what I'm saying? Let's not produce as many pairs. You know what I mean? And make people think that these things flying off the shelf. So when the next ones come around, everybody gonna be rushing trying to get them, and you already know the drill, man. It's marketing at its finest. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, let me know in the comments, man, what you think. You like them, you don't. I know I'm a little late with this video again, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But like I say, man, let me know in the comments if you're feeling them, if you copped them, if you took a L or whatever the case is, you know what I'm saying? And You know, I want to thank everybody for watching the videos, you know what I'm saying? But I need y'all help to help me get my subscriber game up, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I mean, I keeps it real over here, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't really know too much more to say, you know what I'm saying? I know what time I'll get the subscribers up there, you know what I'm saying? But man, look, y'all like, subscribe, participate, you know what I mean? Let's get this thing to booming, man. You feel me? Show love. I spread that love back, you hear? But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching, man. And I'ma holler back.